Taking one of you right here, falling. You stand there, I'm gonna stand up there. This is for YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already on.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa. Alright, here we go. This is Redneck Forever / October Festival / LA Burton. And we are at the Rock Falls, Rock Island in Tennessee, not far from Burton, Tennessee. And I want to give a shout out to all my peeps back in Southern Illinois. All my people. Take a good video of the stream of water. We got ferns here for men. We're going to take a good picture of everyone so we can put it on the wall. Alright. Look at that. I've seen that plant. That's cool.
Neither have I.
Or it might just be bigger of what we got. Like this. This is unique. Look at this one. I've never seen that. Huh. I like these different vegetation. It's good. I think this is a hickory. Right here. You got a good one, didn't you?
Yes.
Cool. Look at all this stuff falling. Crazy.
That's pretty cool. You about to die over there?
You ever surf on a still mountain?
No.
Without a board?
I didn't feel like dying, so I haven't tried that yet. 'Cause one, I don't live in the mountains,
Whoa.
and two,
Look at this.
I'm not dumb.
You're not supposed to do this. I'm gonna leave it here. I just wanted to see if there was something big in there. Look, I think that might be something. See it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it back. It'll grow.
It'll grow.
It's still growing. You can really keep it going.
Ooh, my feet.
Whoa!
You're gonna die over there?
I just jumped further than the water. Okay, that was pretty dang cool. Did you get a good, why don't you, without us, and then pan over to here so it sees where the top of where it goes.
Yeah, I already showed everybody like over there, but like.
Let me see. Get it right across. Look how that is. You want to check it out?
I don't know.
I'll go and tell you. Unless you can make it. Here, I might go where you're going. I don't want my socks wet either. Is that too much?
My socks just got definitely soaked. Yes, my socks.
Right over them, didn't they?
Oh. I could try to walk across
we
that.
We gotta get a picture of the front. Look at the here. You gotta get over. You want me to jump it? I'll get that. See how that's flowing over there? Just do it. I got you. Crossing. Hey, you did it. You made it look easier. I think my shoes were tall enough. Oh. That's a good one.
That's what I saw.
That's it. I didn't get to see a good one of this. All right, be careful here. This is dangerous. I'm just going to get a shot right. Be careful. There you go. We're doing good.
This is why having a cameraman so I can get
Just make sure you stay still. Yeah. That wiggling shit scares people. That is cool. Here, just stay right there. That's good. That's like the cover of a book. Because you're just doing your little meditation. All right, I'm going to do